Ecosystem is the basic functional unit of ecology. An ecosystem is a natural unit consisting of all plants, animals, and microorganisms, biotic factors, in an area functioning together with all of the non-living physical or abiotic factors of the environment. Ecosystem consists of biotic and abiotic factors. Depending upon them, ecosystem is mainly of three kinds: terrestrial ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, and man-made ecosystem.
Abiotic components include the non-living physical and chemical factors of environment like temperature, light, wind, etc. Biotic components include the living elements of the ecosystem and are divided into two categories on the basis of their nutritional relationship. Autotrophic components. These include the green plants, photosynthetic bacteria, and cyanobacteria, which are capable of manufacturing their organic food from simple inorganic substances by the process of photosynthesis. Heterotrophic components include those organisms which consume either ready-made organic food or decompose the complex organic compounds. Heterotrophs are divided into two categories. Macroconsumers. Macroconsumers include the animals which eat the producers directly or indirectly. These are divided into four categories. 1. Primary consumers. These include rabbit, goat, etc. 2. Secondary consumers. These include fox, frog, etc. 3. Tertiary consumers. These include wolf eating upon the fox. 4. Quaternary consumers. These include lion, tiger, etc. Microconsumers. These are called decomposers or saprotrophs, which break down the complex organic compounds of dead bodies of both plants and animals. These includes bacteria and fungi. All the components of an ecosystem participate in the maintenance of an ecosystem in a systematic manner, functioning as a unit. The major functions of an ecosystem are productivity, energy flow, and nutrient cycle. Click on the area indicated here. Productivity, energy flow, nutrient cycle. Food chain. Transfer of energy of food from producers to decomposers through a series of organisms is called food chain. There are two types of food chains: grazing food chain, detritus food chain. Grazing food chain. These are directly dependent upon solar radiations as the primary source of energy. Green plants form the first trophic level of the food chain. Herbivores or primary consumers eat upon the producers and form the second trophic level. Herbivores are eaten by carnivores of different categories. These are longer food chains. They always end at decomposer level. Detritus food chain. Primary source of energy is dead organic matter called detritus. Main sources are fallen leaves or dead animal bodies. Primary consumers are detritivores. These include protozoans, bacteria, fungi, etc. The detritivores are eaten by secondary consumers, which include insect larvae, etc. They are shorter than grazing food chain.
Food web extends the food chain concept from a simple linear pathway to a complex network of interactions. In typical food web, herbivores such as rabbit, squirrels, mice, and seed-eating birds can be eaten by foxes, hawks, and owls. Mice and seed-eating birds can also be eaten by snake. Spiders and predaceous insects are feed upon herbivorous insects, and they are eaten by insectivore birds and toads. Further, toads, insectivore birds and predaceous insects are eaten by snake. This is an illustration to show how food web operates in nature.